Alright guys, check this one out. This is a vampire fang set for the canine teeth that we just had done for a customer. These are 925 sterling silver. Here's the back side. So these snap right on the teeth there. It's made from, the caps are made from actual mold impression, dental impression of the customer's teeth. So it's a perfect fit. Snaps right on the teeth there. Canines, beautiful vampire, pointy tips on them. They're not too pointy, just pointy enough to where it just looks real nice. Vampire fangs. This is available on our website, blingcartel.com. You get free shipping in the US, custom handmade work. All right, well there it is guys. Thank you for watching the Vampire Fang Cap Set 925 silver. Check it out on blingcartel.com. All right, and as always guys, y'all have a good one.